Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol NAKD. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, I don't mean to state the obvious, but I will anyways just to establish some context here. But overall, a nice bounce in this one. I mean, you stop and think about the fact that at one point, the price was all the way down here this morning, and then the price did work its way back up to there. Sure, the price did pull back from its highs, but again, relatively speaking, from where it was at its lows to where it still ultimately closed, nice solid move, but that does bring about the more than valid question of, yeah, but I mean, is there any sort of true power behind this price movement? Is there any sort of genuine strength? Or is this just some sort of knee-jerk reaction, dead cat bounce type move? And I have no idea, but by using the chart, we can make answering that question very straightforward. And in my mind, it all revolves around a single area, and that area is down here at the 254 mark. Why is 254 important? And I'm not saying at all this is what's going to actually happen, but just from an explanation standpoint, if the price were to come down here, behave in that manner, and then continue on down, what would that be doing to the price? Well, from a very literal point of view, that would be putting the price quite literally right back inside of that range where it just was. And I mean, not to insult your intelligence, but price movements that go back to where they were, not exactly a sign of true power, true strength, or anything like that. But to be fair, I mean, no price can go straight up. So maybe the price comes down here, behaves in that manner, then starts to work its way back upwards. Now, all of a sudden, what would you have? Well, you'd have a set of lows right there. You'd have lows right there if you envision each one of those as stair-steps. Well, there you go. Now you have stair-steps progressing in the upwards direction. And again, that's the name of the game. That's what a truly strong move is going to do over time. It's going to make progress forward. And in this situation, quote-unquote progress, once again, being quantified as $254. Now, as far as areas of resistance, and if this upwards movement is going to continue, that first big battleground, all about 258. I mean, you go through the history of the chart, 258 presented problems. 258 presented a problem this morning. And then in the afternoon, once again, presented a problem. So I'm not saying that 258 can't be broken. I'm just saying it's become glaringly obvious that that is certainly going to be kind of the stubborn area where if there is going to be any sort of continued bounce, that'll be the main level that needs to be broken up above. But yeah, nice bounce today. Let's see if the price can continue to build upon this momentum moving forward. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.